Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to save Telegram videos on phone. This is a very easy and quick tutorial, but you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Telegram application. So to start, you have to scroll down and look for settings, which is below saved messages. So once you tap this one, you have to look for another option again. It's data and storage, and that is under settings. Tap this one. Now you have to scroll down and look for save to gallery option in order for your chats, your files, and messages to be saved to your gallery. So scroll down again until you see that option. So here it is. You have to turn on this private chats under save to gallery. So you can also turn on this groups, channels. So all the files that you have sent or files that have sent to you, all you have to do is simply click that. For example, this one, this image, click the three dots and then click save to gallery. Also, same with videos. All you have to do is to click this three dots here and then save to gallery. And of course, in order for you to see that, you have to exit this application, I mean Telegram application, go to your file manager or files, scroll down till you see the Telegram folder, and once you tap the Telegram folder, you can see there all the files, photos, videos, or even links from your friend or from group chats. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.